Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, it's great to have you here. And to my returning supporters, your presence is highly valued. In this video, we are making a quick shrimp fried rice. And if you are interested, you can join me in my kitchen and let us cook together. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. And the following are the ingredients that we need to make our quick shrimp fried rice. And first thing that we have here is leftover cooked white rice. We have a shrimp. We have mixed vegetables. We have eggs. We have cilantro, green onion, and one Maggi seasoning, soy sauce, sesame oil, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. For my rice, because it is cold from the fridge, I always love to warm it up in the microwave because this is going to help it to absorb the seasoning very well. And the shrimp, I will also add some salt and pepper and olive oil and like steam it a little. Same thing to my mixed vegetables. This will help all this to get more taste before we add everything together. Right now, I'm going to be cutting the green onion and the cilantro, and I'm going to set them aside. I already have the pot heated up on the stove. Now we're going to add some olive oil. Add the seasoned shrimp and allow it to steam for some few minutes. The shrimp is cooked enough, so right now I'll be taking it off from the stove. So now I'm going to be using the gravy from the shrimp to steam my vegetables also, because that is going to give the vegetables a very nice taste as well. And I'm going to allow it to steam also for a few minutes. The vegetables are steamed enough, so I'll be removing it from the pot, and I'm going to discard the rest of the liquid because we don't need the liquid. Okay, now it's time to start cooking our fried rice. So the pot has heated up. So I'm going to add the olive oil. And in the olive oil, I'm going to add the green onion and some cilantro. Some salt. While it's still green, the rice is going to go in. It's beautiful thing. Oh my God. I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to add the vegetable. Because the rice is already warm, so it will be able to absorb the ingredients fast. I'm going to throw in the shrimp. Add the shrimp. See that green color from the cilantro and the green onion. That's beautiful. Now I'm adding sesame oil. I'm just going to add my seasoning, the Maggi seasoning, just one. And now I have the rice set aside, and I have another frying pan with a little olive oil that I'm going to use to make the scrambled egg.
Pour the egg. That's good.
So I'm going to pour my rice. So I'm going to pour in my egg. And I'm going to just garnish it more with my cilantro. Our quick shrimp fried rice is ready, and we are serving it in a plate to enjoy it. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can enjoy more of this simple recipe from my kitchen and be notified each time I have a new video. If you have watched this video to this end, click the like and share buttons. Try this recipe and enjoy it with your families and friends. Bye, and see you in my next video.